Hi, in this video we're going to learn about the functional interface. Here, we are creating a functional interface as discount calculator. In the discount calculator interface, we are creating a method discount which will be an abstract method. This discount method will return the discounted amount in double. In the main method, we are taking the reference of the discount calculator interface and defining the lambda expression as per our use case. So, like this, we are defining the lambda expression. Basically, here we have 50% discount. After defining the lambda expression, we can call the method of the discount calculator interface like this.